Hi everybody, and welcome to Survival Dads. So today we have an unboxing of the latest FoxBox. So yeah, I'll get it open and have a look inside. Okay, so first thing, this is box number 8. So we have our cheat sheet. Quick look on here, so that gives you an overview of everything that's in the box and prices and stuff to show what you're saving. So open up and we'll have a look inside. So okay, there's a lot of stuff in here today, good stuff. So we have RFID passport and credit card protectors there. So these stop people from stealing your identity and from taking information from credit cards and passports through RFID. So that's pretty smart. And that has a retail of £4, so RFID protectors. Okay, next we have a RFID hard shell case and a card wallet. And that's what it looks like, if you can see that. So this extra large hard case, great for travelling, and this has a recommended retail price of £4. Well, there'd be more than that, but there we are. Hard shell case, RFID protection. Okay, next we have some fishing hooks, 20 barbless fishing hooks, which is a retail of £1. So you can guess what's coming next. It's a fishing rod. It's a telescopic fishing rod, which is cool. Comes with a reel. I'm not a great fisherman. Well, I haven't been fishing since I was little. I've always wanted to try again, so I might have to take this out and see what I can do with it. So, really cool telescopic fishing rod. Quite cool that. I might put that in my workout bag. And that has a recommended retail price of £14.50. Okay, next we have a foon. A foon. It is a multi-tool. It's a fork, a spoon, bottle opener, a screwdriver, 6mm, 8mm, 10mm spanner, and it's got a carabiner clip. That's really cool. Highlander foon. That has a retail price of £4.50. Okay, next we have a Mac Gaultier 697 Rescue 2 knife. Let's take that out. This has a retail price of £13.50. So this is a rescue knife made in Italy. Locks open, securely locks, and it's a rescue knife, and it hasn't got a tip, so it's not a stabby knife. This is purely a rescue knife. I guess that would cut wood pretty well as well, but I think it's designed for seatbelts and the like. Bright orange colour, that's really cool. I would definitely be living in my glove box. And then push down to close it up. So that's cool. So recommended retail price for that is £13.50. That's awesome. Okay, and last but no means least, this is pretty cool. Actually no, there's more. We have MREs. This is US issue. I've never had American rations before, so I'm really looking forward to tuck into this one. This one is menu 10, chili and macaroni. That's really cool. Recommended retail price for this one is £9, and that is the main meal, condiments and seasonings, and it's got a flameless ration heater in it as well. So that's really smart. I'm really looking forward to getting tucked into that. So MRE, and the handmade item of this month's FoxBox is a 3.4mm tactical black gear belt loop with hand cast brass D-ring, and that's got a recommended retail price of £10. So you can see you've got the Fox stamp on there, and it's a belt loop like dangler, so it's really cool. You put your keys on there or attach a knife to a lanyard, that sort of thing, and it will sit on your belt really nice, and I really like it. Ah, it smells amazing. Okay, so there you have it. That's the contents of the 8th FoxBox. If you stick around, I'll do a panoramic sweep of everything included. Yeah, really good. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and comment on this video to see more awesome content. Because if not... Oh god! Did I burn it?
I don't think so.